If you're going through tires often, you really need to consider what's going on and take a bigger picture and step back. Now, if your tires are burning up faster than what they're rated for, most tires are rated between 30 and 80,000 miles for a tread wear warranty. You should really be asking your mechanic why or what's going on. Now, increased tire wear can happen for many different reasons, from aggressive driving habits to under or overinflated tires to misalignment or worn out suspension components, allowing the tire to sit uneven on the ground. There's a million different reasons. All of them are important. You want to get the most mileage and the most dollars out of your tire, and we want you to get the most safety and usage out of your tire. We want to see them come in worn out completely evenly across the board. Nothing's more dissatisfying than having to replace a tire that's only half worn out when it's half on the inside or half on the outside. So to avoid that, take care of the vehicle, do your regular maintenance services, and take care of that suspension, and you won't have to worry about it. Or, if you're an electronic vehicle owner, come and see us regularly to keep that alignment in spec, because those vehicles are going through tires 2 to 4 times faster than other vehicles on the road. That's a major environmental effect for all that rubber to get disposed of. So when we're thinking of that electric battery, let's think about where those tires go to, and let's make sure we get the best length out of them for everyone's sake. Not just your wallet, the environment.